Now, differentiating with respect to x. So you get f dash of x, 2, x cube derivative is 3x square minus 21, x square derivative is 2x, 36, x का derivative is 1. So we get f dash of x equal to 6x square minus 42x plus 36. Then for extreme values of x, you have to make an assumption f dash of x equal to 0. So we get 6x square minus 42x plus 36 equal to 0. So we get this as divided by 6 you do. So we get x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So the factors of this will be x minus 6 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we get x equal to 6 or we get x equal to 1. So the first step is f of x, second step is f dash of x, third step is f dash of x equal to 0. The moment you put f dash of x equal to 0, you will get the values of x. Then next step is f double dash of x. F double dash of x is d by dx of f dash of x. So we get f double dash of x equal to d by dx of, this is f dash of x. Okay. Take the derivative of this, meaning this will be d by dx of 6x square minus 42x plus 36. So we have f double dash of x equal to 12x minus 42. Again you write f double dash of x 12x minus 42. f double dash of पहला x का first value डालना, meaning I'll write here substitute x equal to 6, you get 12 into 6 minus 42, so you get f double dash of 6 30, 30 is more than 0, therefore I will say that f double dash of x is more than 0, therefore the function is minimum at x equal to 6. Then I will say that the minimum value of f of x at x equal to 6. So we have to write f of x is 2x cube minus 12x square plus 36x minus 20. You can write f of 6 is 2 into 6 cube, 12 into 6 square plus 36 into 6, sorry, this is 21, I'm sorry, 21 and into 6 minus 20. Therefore, f of 6 will be equal to minus 128. Again we will write f double dash of x, which is 12x minus 42. Substitute the second value of x, which is 1. So we can have f double dash of 1 equal to 12 into 1 minus 42. We get f double dash of 1 is minus 30. Minus 30 is less than 0. Therefore, I will say that f double dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, I will say that the function is minimum at x equal to 1. Then I will say that the minimum value of f of x at x equal to 1. So we will write f of x as 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. So f of 1 will be 2, 1 cube, 21, 1 square, 36 into 1 minus 20. So f of 1 will be equal to 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20. So f of 1 will be minus 41 and प्लस 41 माइनस 38 माइनस 3। सो इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो इक्वेशन है उसका सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू -3 रहेगा और सबसे लोवेस्ट वैल्यू विल बी -128, meaning the maximum value of this function will be -3 and the least value of the function will be -128. F of x equal to x square plus 16 upon x. So first what we will do is we will differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x, that is equal to d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 16 upon x. पहला स्टेप f of x है, सेकेंड स्टेप f dash of x. तो डेरिवेटिव मार दो. f dash of x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x है, 16, 1 upon x डेरिवेटिव is -1 upon x square. So I get f dash of x equal to 2x minus 16 the whole upon x square. So f of x हो गया, f dash of x हो गया. Third step is for extreme values of x, we can say that f dash of x equal to 0 and I get 2x minus 16 upon x square equal to 0. So I will take the LCM as x square. So I think this is 2x cube minus 16 equal to 0. Cross multiply, you get 2x cube minus 16, 0 into x square is 0. You get 2x cube equal to 16. You get x cube equal to 8. Therefore x equal to 2. So first step क्या है f of x. Second step क्या है f dash of x. Third step क्या है f dash of x equal to 0. Next, f double dash of x, that is equal to d by dx of f dash of x. F double dash of x equal to d by dx of f dash of x. अपना f dash of x इधर. Okay? That means it will be d by dx of 2x minus 16 upon x square. So I will say that f double dash of x equal to d by dx of 2x minus d by dx of 16. See 1 upon x square का डेरिवेटिव नहीं होता है तो उसको x raised to -2 कर दो. So x raised to -2 is a power function. So we will have f double dash of x equal to 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 आएगा minus 16 x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. So we will have f double dash of x equal to 2, minus into minus will become plus 32 x raised to 3. So I get f double dash of x equal to minus 3. I get this as 2 plus 32 upon x cube. Okay. So we have done f of x, we did f dash of x, we did f dash of x equal to 0. जैसे f dash of x equal to 0 करेगा x का वैल्यू मिलेगा. Then f double dash of x. फिर क्या करने का, वो f double dash of x में replace the value of x with whatever we have got. What is the value of x that we have got? हमको x का वैल्यू 2 आया, तो x का वैल्यू 2 इधर डालना. 2 डालने के बाद अगर आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा तो फंक्शन इज मिनिमम, नेगेटिव आएगा फंक्शन इज मैक्सिमम. याद रखना. सो अगेन आई राइट f double dash of x 2 plus 32 upon x cube f double dash of 2 because x का वैल्यू 2 है, 2 plus 32 upon 2 cube. So we have f double dash of 2 equal to 2 plus 32 by 8 आएगा. So I get f double dash of 2 equal to कट हो जाएगा 4 आएगा. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. 6 is more than 0. Therefore f double dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore I will say that the function is minimum at x equal to 2. The function is minimum at x equal to 2. Then I will say that the minimum value of f of x at x equal to 2. तो f of x क्या है, कॉपी करो. क्वेश्चन क्या था, x square plus 16 upon x. So we will have f of x equal to, ये शायद 2 square रहेगा, ये आएगा 16 upon 2. तो f of x will be equal to 4 plus 8. Therefore the minimum value will be 12. Therefore the minimum value of f of x at x equal to 2 is 12. Now the question says that divide 20 into 2 parts such that their product is maximum. So solution, one number be x, second number be 20 minus x. Now 20 minus x कैसा है? ऐसा सोचो कि there are 20 chocolates, उसको दो जन के बीच में डिवाइड करना है. There are 20 chocolates, दो जन के बीच में डिवाइड करना है. One kid is given 6 chocolates. 20 में से 6 चॉकलेट एक बच्चे को दिया. तो how much will the second kid get? 20 minus 6, 14. तो one kid will get x, the second kid will get 20 minus x. एक बच्चे को अगर 12 चॉकलेट देगा तो दूसरा बच्चे को कितना देगा? 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. So you have to divide 20 things into 2 parts. Okay, so you have to divide the number 20 into 2 parts. So if one number is x, another number will be 20 minus x. बराबर? Now you want to show that the product is maximum. तो पहला we can say that let f of x be the product of two numbers. So product of two numbers means एक नंबर x है और दूसरा नंबर 20 minus x है. तो इसको ओपन कर दो. तो x into 20 is 20x, x into x is x square. ये हो गया मेरा f of x. So previously the sums which we did, जो sum पहले किया था, उसमें they had already given the equation for f of x. Now in word problems you have to frame the equation for f of x, meaning तुमको खुद से f of x का equation बनाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so एक टाइम f of x मिल गया, फिर नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर f of x, उसके बाद f dash of x करो, डेरिवेटिव मारो, फिर वो डेरिवेटिव को इक्वल टू 0 डालो तो x का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. फिर डबल डेरिवेटिव मारने का. डबल डेरिवेटिव जैसे ही मार देगा automatically you will come to know whether the function is maximum or whether the function is minimum. Okay, so we will start. F of x equal to 20x minus x square. We can go for differentiate with respect to x. So we get f dash of x equal to d by dx of 20x minus d by dx of x square. So f dash of x equal to 20x का 20 आएगा, x square का 2x आएगा. So f of x हो गया, f dash of x हो गया. बराबर. फिर क्या करना है? हमको करना है for extreme values of x. I will say that f dash of x equal to 0, meaning 20 minus 2x equal to 0, minus 2x equal to minus 20, and you get x equal to 10. Okay. Next we can go for f double dash of x. F double dash of x is d by dx of f dash of x. यानी f double dash of x equal to d by dx of f dash of x is 20 minus 2x. So we have f double dash of x equal to 20 का डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा, minus 2x का डेरिवेटिव minus 2 आएगा. नॉर्मली कैसा करता था? f of x करेगा, f dash of x करेगा, f dash of x equal to 0 करेगा, then we'll go for f double dash of x. Then in that f double dash of x we generally substitute the value of x. Now इसमें x के जगह में x का वैल्यू डालो. What is the value of x? 10. डाल सकता है क्या? नहीं डाल सकता. तो फिर भी हम लोग करेंगे f double dash of 10 because x का वैल्यू 10 है. इधर x तो नहीं है तो minus 2 आएगा. Minus 2 is less than 0. Therefore the function is maximum at x equal to 10. See, f double dash of x more than 0 आएगा तो the function is minimum. Less than 0 आएगा तो the function is maximum at x equal to 10. Then we have to find the numbers. So one number equal to x यानी कि 10 रहेगा. Second number 20 minus x, 20 minus 10, that is also equal to 10. Question number 3. Question number 3 says that there is a metal wire which is 36 centimeters long. Okay? Metal wire है वो 36 centimeter long है. उसको bend करके you want to form a rectangle. You want to find the dimension so that its area is maximum. ओके, सो मेटल वायर है, उसको बेंड करके एक रेक्टेंगल बना, तो ये बन गया मेरा रेक्टेंगल, ठीक है। सो इफ यू ऐड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड, दिस साइड, दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड, कितना बनेगा? लेंथ का टोटल कितना रहेगा? 36 रहेगा, बिकॉज ये वायर 36 सेंटीमीटर का, उसको बना के तुम स्क्वायर बनाओ, रेक्टेंगल बनाओ, सर्कल बनाओ, parallelogram बनाओ. If you find the sum of the length of all sides, circle length, sorry, if you take a quadrilateral or a triangle for that matter, or a polygon, if you add up the sum of the length of all sides, I think that will be equal to 36. 36 सेंटीमीटर का वायर है, बेंड करके एक रेक्टेंगल बनाएगा, तो ये पूरा इसका टोटल मारेगा तो कितना आएगा? 36. उसका मतलब है पेरीमीटर equal to 36 centimeters. Now, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of the length of all sides. What is perimeter? Sum of the length of all sides. Okay. So, let the length be x centimeter and the breadth be y centimeters. So can I say that perimeter is supposed to be 2 into length plus breadth for a rectangle? Rectangle में ये length रहेगा, ये breadth रहेगा. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice length plus breadth. तो perimeter will be equal to 2 multiplied by x plus y. Okay. So can I say that the perimeter is 36? So can I say that 36 will be equal to 2 multiplied by x plus y? Divide both sides by 2. 18 equal to x plus y. तो कैन आई से दैट 18 माइनस x इक्वल टू y, तो y इक्वल टू 18 माइनस x. See, the question says that you have to find dimensions such that the area is maximum. So they are focusing on what? They are focusing on the area. So can I say that let A be the area of a rectangle in square centimeters. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length तो x है, breadth तो y है, length into breadth. So what I can do is my area will be x multiplied by what is y? 18 minus x. So can I say that my area will be 18x minus x square? Now, अपने आप को क्वेश्चन पूछने का whether you want to maximize or whether you want to minimize. I think the question is you want to go for maximum. What is that you want to make it maximum? You want to make the area as maximum. So जिसको maximum करने का ना वो तुम्हारा f of x है. So that means my f of x will be sorry 18x minus x square. Once again, ask a question. I want to maximize or I want to minimize? I want to maximize. Here, बराबर है? किसको maximize करने का? Area. तो मैं मेरा f of x रहेगा area का equation. अगर perimeter को maximize करने का रहेगा तो मेरा f of x रहेगा perimeter का equation. Got it? So f of x equal to 18 minus x square. Now it is a normal sum. Sorry. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get f dash of x equal to d by dx of 18x minus x square. So we have f dash of x equal to 18 minus 2x. पहला कौन सा स्टेप है? f of x. सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है? f dash of x. थर्ड स्टेप इज फॉर extreme values of x. You can make an assumption f dash of x equal to 0, meaning 18 minus 2x equal to 0, minus 2x equal to minus 18, you get x equal to 9. So first step f of x, second step f dash of x, third step f dash of x equal to 0. Then we will go for f double dash of x. F double dash of x is nothing but d by dx of f dash of x. So we have f double dash of x equal to d by dx. So what is f dash of x? 18 minus 2x. So I get f double dash of x equal to minus 2. Then क्या करेगा? x के जगह में 9 डालना. f double dash of 9 इक्वल टू -2। सी अगर -2x रहता था ना तो आई वुड हैव पुट हियर x की जगह में 9। अगर 2x स्क्वायर रहता था तो आई वुड हैव पुट x स्क्वायर की जगह में 9, बट देयर इज ओनली -2 तो आई कैन नॉट सब्स्टिट्यूट, तो इट विल रिमेन द सेम। सी फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज एक इक्वेशन दिया मैंने f of x इक्वल टू 2x plus 5 and I tell you get me f of 1, तो क्या करेगा 2 into 1 plus 5 and I think you'll write the answer as 7. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. And second, if I give you an equation f of x equal to 8 and I tell you to find f of 1, उसका मतलब क्या x के जगह में 1 डालो। किधर डालेगा 1? x ही नहीं है इधर, तो 1 किधर डालेगा? इसका भी आंसर 8 ही आएगा। That is what I am trying to explain. So f double dash of x is -2. -2 is less than 0. Therefore, I will say that the function is maximum. और हमको maximum ही चाहिए, चेक करो। Maximum at x equal to 9. Now, first you have to show that the function is maximum. एक टाइम वो दिखा दे, then you have to find the dimension. Dimension means you have to find the length and the breadth. Dimension means length and breadth. So I think I have assumed that the length equal to x centimeter and that is equal to 9 centimeter. And whereas the breadth कितना है? breadth here. breadth is y, बराबर है? breadth is y and y का value is what? 18 minus 6, 18 minus 9, 9 centimeter. Therefore, the dimensions will be 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter. It can also be a square. Because if the length and breadth are same, obviously that quadrilateral is definitely a square. But they have started the sum with taking it as a rectangle. Okay, so all squares are rectangles. But a rectangle is not a square, but a square is a rectangle. So पहला क्या बोलता है कि we will start the sum again. एक रॉड है, एक वायर है जिसका लेंथ 36 सेंटीमीटर है, उसको बेंड करके एक रेक्टेंगल बना। अगर तुम उसको बेंड करके रेक्टेंगल बनाएगा ना, इफ यू ऐड दिस साइड दिस साइड दिस साइड दिस साइड, दैट मींस इफ यू ऐड अप ऑल द फोर साइड्स, the area, the perimeter will be 36. So I say that the perimeter is 36. Length I assume it as x and breadth I assume it as y. So the perimeter will be twice length plus breadth, 2 into x plus y. I'll put perimeter as 36, x as the length, breadth as y and 2. Finally I get the value of y as 18 minus x. Then you have to ask yourself, ठीक है, ये तो x और y मिल गया, लेकिन क्वेश्चन x और y ढूंढना नहीं है। क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है कि you find out what is that you have to do, maximize और minimize। तो चलो maximize करने का, यानी कि याद रखना f डबल डैश ऑफ x का वैल्यू लेस देन 0 लेके आने का। मिनिमाइज करने का रहेगा तो f डबल डैश ऑफ x का वैल्यू शुड बी मोर देन 0। So A be the area of a rectangle in square centimeters is A, area equal to x into y, x की जगह में you can put x, in the place of y you can put 18 minus x, open up. Now you want to show that the area is maximum, so that means your f of x will be equation for area इधर है, f of x equal to 18 minus x square, derivative मारो, you get 18 minus 2x, extreme values of x, f dash of x equal to 0, 18 minus 2x equal to 0, that means you get x equal to 9, double मारना, f double dash of x करना, you get the value of f double dash of x as minus 2, then x के जगह में 9 डालना, तो you get minus 2 only, less than 0, f double dash of x अगर less than 0 रहेगा, that means the function is maximum, therefore the function is maximum, that is, sorry, एरिया इज मैक्सिमम कर दिया। और क्या बोल रहा है, डायमेंशन दिखाओ, डायमेंशन इज लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ, लेंथ इज x, breadth is y, so I have to find the value of x and y. X already have got, y I solved it out and I got the equation for y as 18 minus x, so my breadth will be 18 minus x, 18 minus 9, the answer is 9. See, they are producing x units and the cost of producing x units is x square plus 60x plus 5. And the price is 80 minus x. I think price means the selling price. Selling price is 18 minus x per unit. And एक यूनिट को 180 minus x rupees में बेच रहा है. Each unit is sold for 180 minus x rupees. You have to find the profit. So this is the most important thing. Now, if the focus would have been on cost, we could have started the sum directly with the cost. But if the focus is on profit, first you have to ask yourself, profit का equation किधर? Last समय area पूछा था, तो area का equation ढूंढा तुमने length into breadth करके, I think you remember that. Yes or no? हाँ. So in this case, they are telling you to find the profit. See, there is a simple logic for profit. Profit is equal to total sales minus the total cost. And I can add up here. Total profit equal to total sales minus total cost. Now tell me how many units are they making? They are making X units. X units बनाने के लिए the total cost is x square plus 60x plus 5. So I will say that my total cost is rupees x square plus 60x plus 5. Now total cost हो गया, total sales चाहिए. The formula for total sales is selling price per unit multiplied by the number of units. What is the selling price per unit? 180 minus x, and number of units is x, so this will be 180x minus x square rupees. Now अभी तुम ऐसा सोचता रहेगा, you must be wondering, इधर मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया लेकिन इधर मल्टीप्लाई करके टोटल सेल्स ढूंढा, तो यूज योर माइंड. कितना यूनिट बना रहा है? दे आर मेकिंग एक्स यूनिट्स. वो एक्स यूनिट बनाने का इतना खर्चा है, यानी टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग एक्स यूनिट्स इज दिस. और इधर जो सेलिंग प्राइस दिया है ना, इट इज नॉट गिवन फॉर द एंटायर, दे हैव नॉट गिवन द एंटायर सेल्स, दे आर गिविंग यू सेलिंग प्राइस पर यूनिट. यानी एक यूनिट बेचेगा तो अब हम लोग को 180 माइनस एक्स रुपीस मिलेगा, यानी कि इतने में बिकेगा. तो अगर सपोज एक यूनिट का सेलिंग, एक आइटम का सेलिंग प्राइस सपोज 10 रुपया है, तो 5 आइटम का सेलिंग प्राइस क्या रहेगा? 10 into 5. 20 यूनिट्स का सेल्स कितना रहेगा? 20 into 5. अगर x यूनिट्स बेचेगा तो अपना सेल्स कितना रहेगा? 20x. वापस है एक यूनिट, दिस इज 1 यूनिट and this is the selling price per unit. Okay, selling price per unit. बराबर. एक यूनिट 10 रुपए में बेच रहा है, एक बुक 10 रुपए में बेच रहा है. अगर 5 बुक बेचेगा तो टोटल सेल्स कितना बनेगा? 50. If you sell 20 books, what will be the total sales? 100. If you sell X books, what are the total sales? 20X. So here they say that one unit is sold for 180 minus X. यानी एक यूनिट, एक आइटम, एक बुक 180 माइनस x रुपए में बेच रहे हैं. हम लोग कितना बुक्स बना रहा है? हम लोग वी आर मेकिंग x बुक्स. सो x बुक्स बेचेगा तो अपना टोटल सेल्स बन जाएगा 180 माइनस x इनटू x, दैट इज 180 माइनस 180x माइनस x स्क्वायर. फॉर व्हाट यूनिट्स? यूनिट्स मींस फॉर व्हाट यूनिट्स मींस कितना यूनिट, यानी x का वैल्यू पूछा है. प्रॉफिट इज मैक्सिमम, सो योर f ऑफ x विल बी द इक्वेशन फॉर प्रॉफिट. लास्ट समय एरिया पूछा था तो हमने एरिया का इक्वेशन ढूंढा और उसको f of x लिया. इसमें प्रॉफिट पूछा है तो वी विल गो फॉर इक्वेशन फॉर प्रॉफिट. सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन फॉर प्रॉफिट? प्रॉफिट, टोटल प्रॉफिट इज नथिंग बट टोटल सेल्स माइनस द टोटल कॉस्ट. सो टोटल प्रॉफिट equal to what is the total sales? Total sales is 180x minus x square. And what is the total cost? The total cost is x square plus 60x plus 5. That means my total profit will be nothing but 180x minus x square minus x square minus 60x minus 5. Therefore my total profit will be minus 2x square plus 120x minus 5. ये बनेगा मेरा f of x. I'm sorry I copied the question wrong. This is 50. Sorry, 50. इधर 50 करो, इधर 50 करो, इधर 50 करो, इधर 50 करो. My mistake. I'm sorry. Now once you have found f of x, then you can go for f dash of x. F dash of x के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Differentiate with respect to x. So I get f dash of x. I'm doing it directly. Okay. This will be minus 4x plus 120. You have to do d by dx of minus 2x square, d by dx of 120x, d by dx of minus 50. वो कर लेना. तो पहला स्टेप है f of x, सेकेंड स्टेप है f dash of x. Third step will be f dash of x equal to 0, meaning minus 4x plus 120 equal to 0, minus 4x equal to minus 120, you get x equal to 30. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेप f of x, सेकेंड स्टेप f dash of x, थर्ड स्टेप f dash of x equal to 0, fourth step is f double dash of x, that is d by dx of f dash of x. So we have f double dash of x equal to d by dx of, what is f dash of x? F dash of x is here, that is minus 4x plus 120. So we get f double dash of x, minus 4x का derivative is minus 4, 120 derivative is 0, to get the answer as minus 4. Now, first step f of x, second step f dash of x, third step f dash of x equal to 0, fourth step is f double dash of x. Then, what we do is substitute x equal to 30. तो डालो f double dash of 30, answer minus 4 आएगा, minus 4 is less than 0. Therefore, the function is less than 0 है ना, maximum at x equal to 30. Therefore, the profit is maximum when 30 units, 30 items or 30 things are produced. And if you produce 30 units, you will make the highest profit. Next is, they are asking you what units? So how many units? Units का क्या alphabet defined था? Units का क्या alphabet defined था? Units was defined by x. Can you tell me what is the value of x that you have got? I think the value of x is 30. Therefore, number of units produced is 30.